Unfortunately, that's impossible. With a $1 price tag, Shiba Inu's market value would reach $550 trillion. For context, global gross domestic product, the value of all goods and services produced across every economy, is expected to reach $94 trillion in 2021 and $116 trillion by 2025. Referring to cryptocurrency, I am reminded of a crypto game that I am playing. That is MetaShiba. In this game, you will have 0.5% of all transactions will be redistributed to hodlers. Many tokens, the admins enthusiastically guide. Despite the recent sell-off, Shiba Inu, crypto, SHIB is still the 13th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market value of nearly $19 billion. That's impressive in its own right, but the story becomes the stuff of legend when you dig a little deeper. Since hitting a low in November 2020, the token price has skyrocketed 60 million %, meaning a mere $17 invested in Shiba Inu last year would be worth $10 million today. In August 2020, the pseudonymous Ryoshi created Shiba Inu, co-opting the mascot popularized by Dogecoin. To that end, Shiba Inu has earned a reputation as the Dogecoin killer, a nickname that Ryoshi attributes to its greater publicity and utility. Specifically, Shiba Inu is an ERC-20 token, a type of smart contract built on the Ethereum blockchain. Theoretically, that does make it more functional than Dogecoin, because the token is compatible with Ethereum's thriving ecosystem of decentralized finance, DeFi applications. With a $1 price tag, Shiba Inu's market value would reach $550 trillion. For context, global gross domestic product, the value of all goods and services produced across every economy, is expected to reach $94 trillion in 2021 and $116 trillion by 2025. If Shiba Inu did indeed reach $1, it would be worth several times more than the combined output of every economy in the world. Before you consider Shiba Inu, you want to hear this. I'm focusing on Shiba Inu project that I have a long time for searching. By holding Shiba tokens, you can trade it against other BEP20 tokens or peg it to other tokens from different blockchains. When you trade with beliefs, you will gain long-term profit. Shiba Inu coin reach $1 is shown on this video. Discover the reason Shiba Inu may or not reach $1 by 2025. Check out this video. This video is just released based on latest research. I don't think it will hit $1 for years. However, I will answer your question with a question of my own. How many cryptocurrencies are on Coinbase valued at less than 1 cent? Last time I checked, it was none. Lowest was XYO at 3 cents. So while I don't believe it will reach $1 in the near future or couple decades, I do believe it will be shifting zeros from the right to the left side of the decimal point if you own enough. I am also positive they didn't donate the crypto thinking it would be garbage. So I expect more burns and the value to climb. It isn't going to be microwaved crypto. It will take a couple years. So if you are willing to run out and play Powerball, I think this would have a better chance with $1,000 bet and patience. I think Shiba has a lot of upside. For me, community-driven decentralized currency is the future of finance. When Shiba Swap comes out, it will really give the power of investing to the people. We are all familiar with IPO and stocks. Well, what happens when an IPO comes out? By the time it hits the street, the price gets too high for the normal person, and it's only the big institutional investors that get away with all the profits. Shiba Swap will be programmed to be a game changer. Not only will you be able to stake or invest your coins, but rewards will be given out like bones, the special token that you can earn that will give the investor voting power in making decisions on which way the currency should go. Not only is it an opportunity to get rich, but there is also an opportunity to join the pioneers of this coin. Shiba Swap will make the process of investing or staking your coins a seamless experience. No more wasting time at banks. The Fed is dead. Crypto is the future of finance. Cash Shiba Army. If you want to trade Shiba Inu, Bitcoins, and other crypto in 2021, you should consider registering on Binance, which is the #1 crypto exchange in the world. We can't know for sure. It will probably reach $1 in the next several years. Not sure about $10. Shiba is quite volatile coin, so you could make more profit by trading it. You can do it on Shiba Swap or 7. I hope so. If so, we will all be so rich. I think it's possible. If people keep putting money into it, it can happen. People used to ask the same questions about Bitcoin. Will it ever reach $1,000? Then it was, will it ever reach $10,000? Then $40,000. Now it's at $60,000 and going strong. It will reach $1 when its circulating supply matches its market cap in dollar valuation. Circulating supply $394,796 billion. Of total supply 1 quadrillion. I believe the difference to have been burnt. What will happen to Shiba Inu coin by 2025? There are some price predictions for Shiba Inu coin as it prepares to face off with Dogecoin. Shiba Inu coin, the meme-based cryptocurrency that has been billed as a Dogecoin killer, has not gone away yet, despite a recent dip in cryptocurrencies. But will Shiba coin ever reach the $1 mark? What issues does Shiba Inu coin face? Shiba Inu coin has had a run of luck recently, holding off a huge dip that other cryptocurrencies have seen, according to FX Street. But the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency still faces some obstacles. For example, Shiba coin has not gained much attention on social media or from speculators, according to FX Street. If the Shiba token starts to drop, it may even lose more support, since cryptocurrencies like Shiba and Dogecoin rely on social media hype for investment. David H. CEO of crypto magazine Block Journal, told the inverse that Shiba coin only rises because of the community. So investors should keep that in mind before investing. Related, could Shiba Inu coin rise because of Dogecoin? What to remember if you invest in Shiba coin, according to an expert. The other major issue with Shiba coin right now is that it's not as easy to buy as Dogecoin, which is available on Robinhood, Coinbase Pro, and more. There's a campaign to get Shiba Inu coin on Robinhood, but that seems to be a grassroots effort more than anything. As I wrote for the Deseret News, where will Shiba coin be in 2025? Shiba coin is selling for about 85 cents per coin with a market value of $3.4 billion, so there's still plenty of time to grow. Per Market Realist, the current predictions suggest Shiba coin will reach a value of 19 cents per coin in 2022 and later hit 61 cents per coin in 2025. That would be a near 620% increase from where the Shiba coin is at now, which might sound like a good opportunity to invest. Will the Shiba token hit $1? Market Realist laid out the plan for how Shiba coin could reach the $1 benchmark, which has been a goal for Dogecoin supporters. Shiba coin would need to climb 12 million% to hit $1. Since January, the coin has jumped about 2 million% every month. So, it could in theory hit $1 by the end of 2021 if it keeps up that growth, according to Market Realist. If Shiba maintains that level of growth, it could reach $1 in 2021. However, if it grows at the rate of 20% per month, it would require 5 years to hit $1 the milestone, which points to 2025 at the earliest, Market Realist reports. Next up in business, need to buy a used car? Good luck. Man tries to open airplane door after flight departs from Utah in an effort to share his thoughts on COVID-19 vaccines. We all feel blessed how the Pamela Atkinson Homeless Fund improves lives in Utah. Why are Patagonia, Ray, North Face threatening to boycott potential outdoor retailer events in Utah? Virgin Galactic's ticket sales to space are open. The deposit is $150,000. Healthcare worker protections, a ban on car selfies, film tax incentives. These Utah bills are closer to becoming laws. Bitcoin and Ethereum are both blue-chip cryptocurrency investments and are a perfect place for first-time investors to begin investing. They are respectively the first and second most respected cryptocurrency projects the world over. Interestingly, their use cases are both very distinct. While Bitcoin has seen its usage change as adoption grew, Ethereum's value continued